Sports day was here. I was really excited because this was going to be my last one in the school. I was good at running, thanks to football, but I didn't know how to play any other sports at all. But I don't know why, I decided to take part in all the activities. Maybe just for fun. The first event was shot put. Now most probably you might not know what actually shot put is. Let me briefly explain it first. There's this really heavy ball weighing 5 kilograms that we have to throw while staying inside a circle, and the one that throws the farthest wins. I was watching all the strong guys of my school throw that heavy ball quite far. First, I didn't plan to take part in it, but then the judge noticed that there was one less participant from my house, so I decided to fill that spot. A house is basically a group that competes with other groups, also known as houses, in competitions of every category for points, and the house that has the most points at the end of the year is declared winner. There were 4 houses in my school: red, blue, green, and pink. Red was the best one because I was in it. Back to the story. I picked up the ball and I threw it. And you know what? It barely crossed the qualification line that was 7 meters far. We had to cross that line to get to the next round. I didn't expect to throw that far. It was really amazing. But when I turned towards the judge, he told me that it was a foul. I got confused. He then said that there is a certain technique to throw the ball. You can't throw it like a regular ball. It was bad, but it didn't bother me though, because anyways I didn't have any hopes of winning anything. So I went to the next event, which was discus throw. This was the first time I was going to play this game. Looking at the name, I guessed that we have to throw a discus, which was obvious, but this time I focused more on the technique of throwing it. I asked some of the participants to teach me how to throw it. Hey bro, our PE teacher just told me that there are some boys who didn't participate and are just bunking their classes. I was wondering that it might be you. It looks like you don't know how to play. Huh, really? I know every single thing about this game. Wanna listen? So look. Blah blah blah. Just kidding, I asked them to teach me with respect and they did teach. The rules were simple and same as shot puts, except the technique of throwing. I practiced a few times before my turn came. I went inside the circle and I threw it. This time I threw it with proper technique, but my throw was nowhere close to other participants' throws, so they didn't even measure it. Well, we had 2 tries. In my second try, I only focused on throwing farther, so I accidentally stepped out of the circle while throwing, which was a foul. It was really fun though. The next event was long jump. Now, I was already familiar with this event as I have played it a few times in my PE classes, but still not good enough to compete at a competition. Never mind, the rules were simple. We can do a run up from wherever we want to gain momentum for our jump, but we have to make sure that we do not cross this line before jumping onto the sand. If we cross this line even by an inch, it is a foul. In our school, there was one more line. This one was on the sand. Let's call it line 2. If a participant jumped and didn't cross the line 2, then his jump wouldn't be measured, and instead, a cross would be put on the score sheet. And guess what happened? I didn't cross the line even once in any of my 3 tries. It was fun to take part in these events, but now it was time to get serious, because races were here.